here is the big surprise. Let's talk about Trilla in Manila. Now, it's a very big surprise for me and for you guys. Now, most of you guys knows that the Trilla in Manila event will be on October 29. So the original Trilla in Manila, and I call it that, is this one. Trilla in Manila 50th anniversary, October 29, 2025. Originally po, kasama si Mark Magnifico Magsayo. But Mark Magnifico Magsayo, according to the news, will have better opportunities and could be fighting in December. So right now, it's Melvin Jerusalem versus Siakol Wakuse of South Africa. That's the main event. Si Nico Ali Walsh will be part of this celebration in Manila at the Araneta Coliseum po ang laban. Now, here's the surprise. Here is the big surprise. But to my surprise, not really to my surprise, but to my parang good surprise, Trilla in Manila 2 countdown. And in-announce po to kahapon that Pedro Taduran and ito pong si Christian Balunan, who is the number one rated IBF fighter, will be fighting Pedro Taduran in the IBF Minimum Weight World Championship sa Trilla in Manila. But it is a different Trilla in Manila. This Trilla in Manila countdown is gonna be headlined by Pedro Taduran. So I would like to say that this is gonna be October 26, 2025. So 3 days before the October 29, Pedro Taduran will be having his own main event against fellow countryman. Yan.